fire no be only thing wey person dey fight outside. Sometimes e dey burn for inside too, for the choices wey we dey make and the risks wey we dey take. Na that kind energy mission of fire dey throw at you from the first scene. As EBUBE OBIO dey waka through all the wahala, you go feel the heavy gbege wey dey press am, like every move fit cost more than just pride. Chai, the tension dey tight, e dey make you dey hold your chest small. And OSITA IHEME, e dey bring calm gbege, small sense wey dey show say even joke or small laugh fit carry serious meaning for the middle of chaos. No be only the fight or wahala matter, na how people dey change when pressure full ground, how loyalty and courage dey tested, and how fear fit show hidden strength. Every scene dey hit you. The tension just dey follow you even after one scene don finish. E dey remind you say every choice for life get fire wey dey inside. E go make you dey think, when wahala reach peak, you go rise or the fire wey dey inside go burn everything wey you think say you sabi.